If you would like to see me take my hair from super dry to extra moisturized, then keep watching this video. Do not ignore this extreme moisturizer if you have been trying to grow your stunted type full hair. I will show you how I use only two ingredients to build moisture and also restore my hair. If you are suffering from dryness, breakage, knots, then this video is for you. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zenchak. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can use okra on your hair. We will be using only two ingredients in this recipe, and this recipe is very simple. It takes no time to make. Many of us already know what okra is. I remember my grandmother used to make an amazing okra stew. When you eat it, you wouldn't want to stop. I also recently made okra stew. If you guys want to see how we make it in Liberia, then let me know in the comment section and I can get that video out for you. But today's video is all about restoring your dry hair with okra gel. We are going to make okra pre-poo for moisturizing the hair, restoring shine, adding definition, and also reducing breakage by using okra gel. All you have to do is clean your okra, cut your okra in cube size and boil it until it is soft and then transfer it to your blender. And also with your leftover water, you can also that you use to boil the okra, you can use it to blend it. Make sure you do not waste the water. You can use it to blend your okra. Also, when boiling your okra, make sure you are boiling it with the pot open to not cover up your okra. After blending your okra, strain your okra so you do not have any little particles on your hair. Once it's strained, then add 2 tablespoons of your favorite hair growth oil. I'm using my S Secrets hair growth oil for this recipe. As you guys saw, first I tried screening the okra with just a sifter, but it did not get all the little particles out. That was what was going to leave on my hair, but I decided to go in with a stocking for it to remove all of those particles because I don't want to spend time rinsing that from my hair. After that, I found it easier for me to transfer it into this bottle just so I don't make a lot of mess around and the application just became so easy to apply on my hair. I'm now going in with my S Secrets or I will tell you guys more about the S Secrets or later, but let's focus on this okra gel because it changed my mind. I will not use any other pre-poo in a long time if my hair is extremely dry and tangled up. All I have to do is just buy my okra from the store, and this is my new favorite pre-poo treatment. Okra is often praised for its potential benefits for hair health, especially when used as a gel. Yeah, are the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients in okra that support hair growth and also overall hair health. Okra has vitamin A, which promote healthy scalp and hair growth by aiding in cell production. Okra also has vitamin C, which supports collagen production and helps prevent hair breakage. It has vitamin K, which improves blood circulation to the scalp and supporting hair follicles. Vitamin B6, which enhances metabolism and help in the production of red blood cells, improving nutrient delivery to hair follicles. It also has folate, vitamin B9, which supports healthy cell division and enhance hair growth. Okra also has minerals in it like calcium, which is important for hair follicles health. It has magnesium, which helps reduce stress, which can lead to hair loss and improve overall hair health. It also has potassium, which maintains moisture in the hair, preventing dryness. Okra also has iron, which is essential for oxygen transport. Low iron level can lead to hair loss. It has zinc, which supports tissue growth and repair, maintaining healthy hair. Other nutrients found in okra are dietary fiber, which not directly relate to hair health, but it support overall health and digestion, which can influence hair growth. Oxidants, Compounds in okra like quercetin help combat oxidative stress, which can affect hair health. Additional benefits. This is what I love most. The mucilage in the okra gel, the substance in okra is hydrating and can help condition the hair, making it softer and more manageable. And I can 100% attest to that. Using okra gel on the hair can also help nourish and strengthen the hair, potentially promoting healthy hair growth. Our next ingredient we use is our S Secrets Growth Oil. S Secrets Oil promotes hair growth. The black rice powder, brahmin, amla, moringa, and saw palmetto are known for their ability to stimulate hair follicles, enhances hair growth, and strengthen hair strands. The biotin and vitamin E support cellular functions and improve hair strength and elasticity. It nourishes and strengthens the hair. The organic neem oil, castor oil, avocado oil, olive oil, and moringa provide deep nourishment, helping to reduce hair breakage and split ends. Castor oil and moringa are rich in fatty acids, promoting thicker and healthier hair. This oil also reduces hair fall and dandruff. Tea tree, rosemary, peppermint, and lavender have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to combat dandruff and scalp infections. The neem oil follow helps in maintaining scalp health by controlling fungal and bacterial growth. This oil also improves scalp health. The hostile herb, peach and powder, and saw palmetto support scalp circulation and reduce hair thinning. The brahmi and rosemary improve scalp health by increasing blood flow and reducing dryness. This oil also enhances hair shine and texture. The jasmine oil, the rosemary essential oil, and the lavender add a natural shine to hair and improve overall hair texture. The dry herbs like rosemary and lavender also contribute to a pleasant aroma and hair conditioning. This oil also prevents premature graying. The amla, brahmin, and pecan powder are traditionally used to preserve the natural hair color and prevent premature graying. This oil also supports overall hair and scalp wellness. The blend of herbal powders and essential oils creates a holistic approach to hair care, targeting the root cause of hair issues rather than just symptoms. The S Secrets Herbal Hair Growth Oil combines potent herbal powders, oils, and essential oils to promote healthy hair growth, strengthen hair strands, reduce hair fall, and improve scalp health naturally. These ingredients are chosen for their nourishing, anti-inflammatory, and revitalizing properties, making it suitable for those seeking a natural solution to hair concern.